Hi everybody. Somewhat Girly here, attempting a new angle today. Yeah, it's a mess. I went and moved things around and everything's a mess. But we're here for the Inku Crate unboxing for March of 2023, and that's what you want to see, right? Right. Alrighty then. Now just remember, if you're new or if you've been here a while, I'm visually impaired. Technically blind. So this means that I have to use the zoom on my camera and my reader glasses to be able to see fine details of the things that we are looking at. Okay, let us give you guys a sneak peek before I see it. It's a little heavy. It's a little heavy, not gonna lie, a little heavy. Alright. Okay. It's not gonna stay open, is it? Oh! Why is there a big card? The card is huge. I don't see... Okay, hold on a second. Okay, so... Wow, apparently this is a lucky crate. And you can pause to read this here. Apparently it's been catered to the subscribers of Inku Crate. That we get like all kinds of gifts and surprises and things. I'm excited. Are you excited? Okay, so let's get this out of the bag. We see candy. Let me see if I can find all of it. I have no idea, but I think I got them all. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13... Maybe 13 different 13 Kit Kats, but a couple of different kinds. I'm seeing 4, I think. We've got this orange one here, which I'm going to have to zoom in of course. Chocolate orange. This is my favorite flavor of Kit Kat. Chocolate orange. Okay, I'm going to keep it zoomed in. I think all of these are pretty much chocolate orange. Yes. Okay, so this yellow one down at the bottom here. Whoop. There is color. Got cheesecake flavor. So a nummy cheesecake one. I've had some of these before. For anybody who doesn't know, I used to have the Japan crate way before I got Inku. This one here, I don't have a clue because I don't really see any English on it. If I discover it, I'll put it on the bottom of the screen, of course. Figure out what this one is. They look like little snack ones. Oh, you can write on the back here when you put it in like your lunch or your kid's lunch or your, you know, your booze lunch, your darling. Anybody who watches old anime knows that one. And the last one here is a little blue one, which is another kind of, don't know what it is. It has some words on it. I don't know, maybe I'll be able to figure out what they are using the translate and put it on the screen here. But I do see like a planet, so space theme, but another spot to write. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Japanese Kit Kats are superior to ours, hands down. Ours are overly flavored. Theirs actually taste like the different things that they're trying to like represent. I had a strawberry one time that was so magical. Let's try and get these up out of the way. All right. Next item here. I'm going to grab the bag. There's no booklet. I don't know what these are. Oh my goodness. What is this? It looks like... It feels like ramen. Oh, is this a ramen? I don't know what kind of ramen this is, but there are packets in here. I can feel them right here. Okay. 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 Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. We just got made in Japan, obviously. There's some, it looks like onsen tamago eggs. We got non-fried noodles. Non-field? Fried? No, fried. Kotsuvor. I don't know what fukubukuro is, but you know me. I will put something down. Oh, nice. I will put something down on the bottom of the screen here to let you know what this is, because I don't know. Isn't this super exciting? We got ramen. Okay. Hoping there's stationery items in here eventually, and I'm thinking there are because I'm feeling some. Oh my goodness. All right, what are you? Let's. Oh, that's interesting. It's a Sanrio product, you can tell by the sticker. Now, unfortunately, this is going to tear this sticker when we open it, so I'm going to try and use scissors. Okay. Put that to the side, but not throw it away because it's got a handle. Where are you? Ooh. Ooh. A little tube of something. And this looks like... Oh my goodness. It's a travel toothbrush kit. This must be toothpaste. Are you kidding me? You have got to be kidding me right now. It's not play. I think it's legit because, like, look at those bristles. My hands are clean. Well, besides touching everything. Oh my goodness. It's a little travel. It's a little, like, the top of this looks like a jug, but it's a little travel toothbrush. I'm nearly speechless. Look at how cute this is. And then you could, like, once you're done, protect your toothbrush, put it back in there, put it back in the container. Oh my goodness. I wonder what their toothpaste tastes like. Oh my goodness. That is so adorable. I am so happy. I'm more happy than I am for the candy. Oh my goodness. Oh, let's put that over there. Okay. That is amazing. Okay, we've gotten a hair clip, a Pokemon hair clip before. It was a Gengar. This time we get a Piplup. I do not remember what gen that is. But it's just a... It looks like one of those ones that you get at the hair salon where they put back your hair when they are blow drying you. It's just a simple clip. But let me tell you what. It works in a pinch when you need to get your hair out of your face. It has the official Pokemon on here. And it shows you what you can do with it. Just hold your hair back. I don't think it's meant for you to like wear out, but like if you have young kids, you know, like how they don't care. So they'll put it in their hair. That's great. Piplup. I love Piplup. Okay. Feels like we've got some writing utensils in here. Looks like some sort of marker and possibly, I'm going to say a colored pencil because, yeah, that's definitely red. Can you see that? It's definitely red. All right, let's zoom in and see what's the color pencil about. This kind of reminds me of one we've gotten before, but I'm not sure. My cat just made a noise behind me. We got, is that Kirby? That's Kirby. Is it actually Kirby? Yep, it's actually Kirby. Look at how cute. Look at how cute. I am unable to play the Kirby games. I'm not very good at jumping and doing things of that sort, but they are so cute and I wish I could have gotten into them and like really learned how to do, like, I stink at jumping in games. Like, even Kingdom Hearts, there's a point where you have to, like, jump on some platforms, and I just fall. But it's a standard red pencil. We get a lot of red pencils. Okay, and like I said, the other one's some sort of marking utensil. I never know what they are until I open them up. What's that cute little thing? I know it's cute. I see it. It has a face, I think. Oh, it's one of those double liners. It's got 2 inks to it and 2 tips. You can write with either both of them or one or the other. Hold on one second. Okay, I have this a little far away. So let's see here. You can either write with both. Oh, I'm seeing red. I think I'm seeing red, and I'm seeing blue. Editing me will find that out. It's for like underlining things in like your notes, or for adding some flair to your planners or your calendars. I love these. I actually have 2, I think, so far. Not 100% sure when I started getting Inku, but that is wonderful, and I can't wait to use that. I'm going to use that in my planner today to mark down that I got my Inku. All right, next item here on the top. Looks like washi, a surprise washi. We don't know what we're getting till we open it, but it does show multiple different styles of things you could get. So it's technically a blind bag. Okay. Do we have a tear strip? We have a tiny tear strip. Let's see what we get. And there is a plastic covering it. Give me 1 second for that. Okay. It is very light. I can't tell if it's upside down or right side up. Oh my goodness, how light is this? Where's the end? Let me see if I can find the end and pull it out. Might have to... Oh my goodness. Very sticky. Editing me is going to be so pleased at whatever it is I find. But I see, looks like little witches. Have we gotten this before? Hold on 1 second. I'm going to put that back. And I'm going to find where I put that packaging. So this is a close-up view of the packaging of the... Oh, there's some Inku Garashi. Okay. Okay. Oh, I love some Inku Garashi. If you know me, you know I love this. So these are the other colors and other, like, ways you could have gotten. It looks like I got the what? The pink one? The orange one? Orangey yellow? Looks like I got the orangey yellow one. So fun. I can't wait until like I actually see it on camera and be like, oh my god. Okay. So excited. So excited for that. All right. Looks like we got a notebook and then whatever's in this left, I think. Okay. This might be a little pouch. Oh, look at the birds. Look at the pretty birds on this. Okay. It's got a ribbon here for the zipper pull. Oh, could this possibly be a tissue pouch? We've gotten some of these before where you put like, say you get like a little disposable thing of tissues from like Dollar Tree or something like that. And you could like pull the tissues out this way, but it also has a pouch part that's separate. So maybe what you could do is you could put your tissues here. Maybe put like a little bottle of sanitizer in here if you want to. You could put coins in there. You can put little tiny things. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Let's see what it says on the tag. I think we've gotten something from this before. Peapod. Okay. Editing me, you'll see that. And then sometimes on here it'll actually say how much it was. If we just give it a little more zoom. Telephone number, maybe not. Oh yeah, there we go. So this here is the yen, which if you move the comma one place, it becomes like a decimal point, something familiar to Westerners. This would be 14 $14 in yen. And I want to say that might say plus tax, but I'm going to have to look that up to find out for sure. I don't currently know what the exchange rate is, but I will put it up on the screen. Of course. Okay, last item in here that I can see, because there's just tissue paper left, is a notebook. And it looks like it has a penguin on it. I'm not 100% sure if it is a penguin, just a regular penguin, or some sort of... Didn't we get a notebook like this before? Where his little booty was on the back. Oh, his little booty. I think we did. Look at the hollow on the... Can you see that? On the spine. Oh my goodness. Little sticker here about something. Who knows what that is? Japanese people do, and anybody who speaks it. Cute little things down here. I think we got something like this before. With you animal. Like he's going with you. And it looks like there are other products perhaps in the... I see just plain white paper, but I'm not sure if there's lines or anything. Editing me will let you know, of course. Or editing me will let me know, especially when I get to a bigger screen. Let's see, nothing on the inside there. I think I see lines. They're very faint. Oh my goodness. Hold on one second. I think we got this before. We did. These are all the notebooks. Well, some of them anyway, but we did. We did get this one before, but that doesn't matter. I am so very happy that we've gotten another one, because then what you can do is with all the ones that you get, which are pretty much the same size because they fit inside the box, is you can have them for different subjects in school if you use them for school, or you can use them for different kinds of notebooks, like if you want to write a small journal or something in them. The lines are faint enough that you could draw on this too. The paper is very smooth. Sorry, I don't know why I keep doing that, but he is so adorable. Is this a different... No, I think it's the same color. Now I'm like harping. I might just cut this out. Actually, he's a little... Is he a little lighter? No. Yeah, it's a little lighter. Look at that to that. So it is a different shade. I mean, the edging is still the same, but it's a little different shade. But at the same time, it's still cute, right? Okay, so what do we think? Oh my goodness, I am so excited and so happy they did this. I had no idea it was coming. I didn't know, I don't know if like this is what they do every now and again, because I've only been getting this so long. I think I've gotten it more than a year now though. But thank you, Inku Crate, so much for this, and I'm so happy. I can't wait to share my items with not just Turtle, my boyfriend, but also with Julia, who, if I'm not mistaken, we just had a video together. So, what do you think? Was this not great or what? I'm still excited about the toothbrush set. That is so cute. Thank you so much for coming for my unboxing, and I will see you again. Bye-bye.